007. This for you fellas. Something I cooked up. The dope house. In my kitchen. Yeah. Roll Cadillacs, never lie on rap. Smoke killer herb till my lungs collapse. Lost $2,000 last night shooting craps. Then I hit the Ritz and bought a few laps. Just got a letter from my old best friend, doing 25 in a federal pen. Wanna come home, but he said until then, could I look over his 3 children? They wake up at 5 a.m. for Fruit Loops, draped up in white overalls and black boots. Used to drive a lag, sipping gin and juice. Now we need money for some chips and